Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. We complete the ticket booking part in our last tutorials. In this tutorial, I am going to teach the user creation part. Okay, so let's select the package. This one, right click, new, internal frame form. Here we have to create as user, right? User creation. Simple. Click finish. Right, your page has been created successfully. Here, go to the now I'm going to go to the database. I'm going to create the table here. Airline, this one. Here I'm going to create the table as user. Here I need the field for only 5 fields we needed, and click go. First one should be ID. This one should be voucher. This one should be first name, voucher, last name, username, after that password. These are the fields we have to create. Right, now let's hit save button. Your users table has been created successfully. Now go to the form. Here I am going to create the form. First I am going to the palette, get one panel. Here, this one, if you want to name the panel, right click properties. I am going to give the title for that, title border. Here I am going to write as a user creation. Right, hit save button. Right, close. Right, now here what I am going to do is, here I am going to go to the label, drag one label, first name, last name. This one should be the ID, user ID. It should be the auto increment part. It is a first name, last name, username, password. Right, these are the fields we needed. Now here I am going to right click, edit text, user ID. This one should be first name, last name, username, this one a password. Right, now here I am going to get select these things, hold on the control key and select all the stuff, this all the labels, and right click properties, font. We have to bold, with bold we have to change it as a 10, little bit. We have to increase the font, 10 or 10, we have to increase as a 12. Right, perfect. Now this one should be the auto increment part. ID should be, so here I am going to give the label here. You have to set as this one as a we have to increase the size as bold. You have to 18, let increase the size as 18, sorry 18 on this. Right, after that I need a text box for each field. Text field, you have to text field, we need text field. Right, we need the text field for that. After that we need a button for that, user creation button. Right, drag one button from the palette. Right, you have to write 2 buttons we need. This one should be add. I'm going to get another button. This one should be cancel button. Right, only this stuff we have to do. Right, now here what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to edit text, backspace to remove this remove the default text, change variable. This one you have to change it as txt first name. This one should be edit text, backspace to remove that, change variable, txt last name. This one should be right click, edit text, backspace to remove them, and change text, txt user name. This one right click, change variable, backspace to remove them, txt password. Right, that's the thing you have to write. This one you have to edit text, backspace to remove them. Right, we successfully changed the name of each and every text fields. Now I'm going to write the code for add the data into the database here. Right, first I'm going to set the auto incremented part. Here let me change the color for different color, so it's easy to find the ID. Right, perfect. Right, now let's go to the source here. First you have to create the connection object con. After that, prepare statement, pst. Let's add the import the SQL connection. This one let's import the prepare. Right, these two stuff is important stuff. Right, after that what I'm going to do is here, we already do the auto increment part in my previous tutorials. I just go to the add flight here. Here also incremented. We no need to write again by again. Okay, we just copy this from add flight.java. This code, same code. Okay, this is a function. It started. It's ended here after the catch here. Right. Control C to copy. Go to the here source. We have to paste it here. Control V to paste it here. Perfect. Now here I need to do two things. We have to change the this one should be change variable. We have to txt user id. So we have to give us here as txt user id. Right, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Right, here we have changed it as use u11. Here's u. Right, so auto incremented part we have to do. Right, now what I'm going to do is here, this function we have to control C to copy, control V to paste here. After the initialization component we have to call this function. Right, that's the stuff you have to do. Right, now after that what I'm going to do is here, we have to do the add this one. So add the records into the database. So select this one, right click, event, action perform. Right, here same index, go to the add flight, the same insert query we have to copy. Just copy right, control C to copy, same query. Right, before copy you must careful here, all the stuff you have carefully copied. Right, after that you have to paste inside this button. Right, fine. Now here we have to change the text box names here. Right, this one should be txt user id, txt first name, last name, username and password. Right, you have to change like this, txt first text box me user id. Right, it saved the variable, this variable. After that first name, here txt first name, txt first name, first name, this one last name, this one is no needed. Control C to copy, control V to paste here, txt last name, txt username, this one should be password. So here another stuff is the password. We remove this text. Instead of this text we have to drag the password field text. Okay, this one should be a password field text. Okay, we have to change the variable name as txt password. Right, remove this one, edit text, remove the default text. Right, now here we have to change this as, copy this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, this one password, txt, this one should be txt password. Right, that's stuff you have to do. Now here we have to set the insert query to insert the record. So here we have to, first one should be id, second one should be first name, last name, first name, last name, username, password. We don't need this stuff, we have to change it as a password here. So how many question mark we needed? 1 2 3 4 5, 3 4 5. We don't need this 3, remove this one. Right, now here we have to set these fields to here, id, first name, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, last name, Ctrl C to copy, B. Right, we have to do the stuff. Remaining thing we don't need it, we have to remove them. That's it, that's the thing we have to do. Right, now let's, this query we have to write the cancel button as well. This one we have to remove the text, remove that. Right, now here cancel button, right click, event, action perform, you have to write like this dot hide. Right, now here what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to go to the main Java, here user creation, double click on this, sorry, this one you have to double click, you have to get the menu item. Here you have to code the, when you click this one it goes to the menu, user creation, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, you have to give the page name user creation. Here we have to give Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, this one u. Right, now here let's run the program, let's do the creation, it goes here. Now I'm going to write the first name John, last name Peter, username John, password 123. Here is this password is password field network. Click add button. What's the problem? Here unknown column, first name. Now let's check the problem. Go to the user creation. Here what is the problem? Here the I gave the table name wrong. This is a user table, right? That is the problem. I just copy and paste from the flight.java page, so that I didn't, this one didn't change. Again we will confirm that we will change the auto ID as same. Here this also I didn't change, right? This also I didn't change. Any other things we don't need, right? We are copied from that add flight.java page, so I didn't change this one and this one. So now let's check creation. Now here it's display 1, right? Earlier display 4, that's wrong. Now here we have to test John, Peter, username John, password 123. Click add button. Flight, not flight created. It's a, we'll change this one as a user created. Right? That's the thing we have to do, right? Perfect. Now let's check the one, browse it. Here it's successfully. Now let's, again we have to create user. It's true. I'm going to create as this one for Nimal Raja, username Raja, password 321. Click add. Why it's not changed, right? It's close and check, right? I'm going to add in the new user Kishan Sankar, username Kishan 123, password, click add, user created. Right, perfect. Now all the stuff are correct here. If you go to the database and check, browse here, all the stuff are created successfully. Now let's do the another stuff is login form. How to create the login form and do the things. Right, now let's go to the airline, this one, right click, default package, right click, internal, not internal form we don't need it because this is not connect from the parent form. These are the called as internal these are the forms called as internal frames called as a child form. We are calling from this main form. Right, here login form we no need it, though all the forms are displayed inside this panel. Right, so we no need it, so we have to create as this one login page. This is a separate page, so we have to create like this, new JFrame form. Right, here this one is a separate one, login. Right, finish. It's a final one. Now here I'm going to create as one panel, drag one panel. Here right click, properties, we have to give the border name as login, title border name as login. This size, letter size we have to increase as 18th. Click OK. OK, right, changed. Now here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to put two labels, right, labels, two buttons. We need two buttons. Right, so here we have to change the name of the button. This one should be login, this one should be cancel. Right, this one we have to use a name, this one password. Right, after that what I'm going to do is I want to drag two text box fields here. Right, now here we have to like this. Right, now here select this text box, edit text, remove this one, right click, edit text, remove this one, select this one, change variable, user name we have to give as txt user. This one we have to change this one as a txt pass, we have to give like this. Right, now first go to the login form and write the code. Transfer form, you have to write, first you have to write the if you have to write, first you have to write as a string, variable string, user name equal txt user dot getText. After that string password equal txt pass dot getText. Right, now we have to check these two text box value, we have to pass into the relevant variable. Now we have to check. Now you have to write here if username dot is empty, pipe operators you have to write here, it's a pipe, right, pipe symbol. You have to check, so or username or password dot is empty. If it is empty, you have to throw the error as j option pan dot j option pan dot show message dialog. This you have to throw the error as here as user name or password do not match, right? Else we have to write the code as we have to write this one. We have to check the username and password from the database. So here I'm going to create the connection con prepare statement pst, right? We have to add the namespaces. Right, now here what I'm going to do is here you have to write this one, two stuff we have to copy these two things, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. The task to create the surrounded with the try, Ctrl X to cut off this one. You have to paste inside the try. Here you have to add the other catch, right? Now error go away. Now here what I am going to do is here you have to write the prepare statement for this pst equal connection con dot prepare statement. Write the query here, select all from user where user name equal question mark and password equal question mark. This is a prepare statement, right? Yeah, right. This thing you have to write. Perfect. After that we have to check both pst dot set string 1 username 2 Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, 2 password. Right, let's check these two. What is wrong? Set password. Here we have to put the this one, that's our right. Now let's here go to write the result set to check result set. You have to check result set rs class, import the class. Now here we have to check rs equal pst dot execute query, this one. After that we have to check if rs dot next if the record is there, it is goes to the main form means this one, main.java. So you have to write like this here, main m object here created m new main here we have to write this dot hide. If the password is correct, this form should be hide, login form should be hide. You have to set visible to seeable true, right? This form current form, login form, hide and show the main form. That's the thing we have to do. Else otherwise we have to pass the message as here. You have to this message, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. You have to give here username and password do not, here we have to write do not match blank, username or password blank. Here you have to write username or password do not match, right? That's the error we have to show, and we have to clear the text boxes as well. That's a that's the important stuff. Txt username dot txt username, this one, sorry, txt user dot settext dot settext, clear. Same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Txt pass, after that you have to txt user, it is focus on the focus, user dot focus, request focus, not request, this one, right. If the username or password not correct, it is clear the text box field and focus on the username text box, right. Now let's execute the query. Here I am going to set the main form as when the form is loaded, the login screen will be the first screen I want to display on the screen. So go to the default configuration. Here you have to set it as login. This form name you have to give same name, right. Click OK. Now let's run the program and check. Right now here when the form is loaded, it's display on the center, so right click, properties, code, generate center, right. Now let's show the program, right. Perfect. Now if you click login, username or password blank. Now here you have to write username John, password 123. This login successfully. Now here I have done the problem. This one we remove the things. Instead of that you have to set it the password field. But here we have to remove this one set it as change the variables txt pass, right. The same name I have to pass, right. Everything fine. Now let's do the things. John 123 successfully. Click login, you will be able to log in the system. You will be here at customer, you will be able to add the customer, search customer, book ticket, all the stuff should be there in the system. Report and user creation, all the stuff will be available here. I hope you guys you understood so far. You have to practice this system step by step. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.